red face directly linked to TRT for sure. What is going on?
Some folks will think it's kind of related to H&H, hemoglobin hematocrit. You know, I think it can be if numbers are running very high. I think that in general, guys they'll run just a little bit warmer and a little bit more sympathetic tone when they're on testosterone. And that just makes them a little bit more flushed and warm in general. Like even your hands will be a little bit warmer. I see guys have, you know, relief of symptoms from cold hands and cold feet. Those are kind of some of the bigger reasons I think that are going on there. Do you see guys come into you with your practice complaining about red skin?
Redness, yes, but in most cases it's not related to TRT because most people here aren't on TRT anyway. So different.
I've definitely run across this a little bit, and I see it across guys with normal H&H or elevated H&H. So I don't think that's necessarily it. I think, you know, if you do a Google search, even look at some of the medical literature, they'll say, hey, you know, this is actually one of the symptoms you'll kind of see. But I think in general, guys, they run just a little bit warmer. Like even, you know, guys sleeping at night, they run warmer, they sweat, they're not sleeping with the covers on anymore. They're not, you know, they're wearing, you know, short sleeves longer into the season. They're not, you know, they wanted to wear shorts instead of pants more often. So I think you just have a little more sympathetic tone and running a little bit warmer.
That's what my wife always tells me. Oh, you give off such a lot of heat. I'm always warm.
Yeah, no, that's the way it goes here too. I'll be walking around with, you know, I don't even want to have a shirt on, and my wife has her you know, her heater on under her desk in her office in the other room. So opposite ends there. Yeah. Don't worry too much about the redness, man. Embrace the healthy glow.